Hi guys, hi again. Welcome to my YouTube channel again. This is Shellfish Villa in America. So yeah, I'm here in Lone Rock, Washington area. So yan guys, today's video I'm just showing you this beautiful view. So Shellfish Villa is not doing clam digging today. I'm just doing relaxing right here in the shore, just sitting here. That's my car right there, and I'm just sitting right here in the sun, under the sun, because today guys is 90-degree out here, 90-degree. So this week really is I think it's all 90-degree. So yeah, I'm just off work today, and I just stopped right here just a little bit, so I have a video to upload today, and this is what I get today. I get this beautiful bunch of geese, ghosts or geeses. I don't know how you do. If it's a lot, if it's just one, it's a goose. If it's a lot, it's geese. Well, that's what this said. But yeah, it's a bunch of them over there, guys. Look at that. They're following each other, guys. You know, these geese, probably if these are from the Philippines or other country or whatever, these geese is probably all gone. They probably cook this one and make a roasted geese or roasted goose or whatever, because it's a lot. I don't know if we have this one in the Philippines, but maybe we do. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, we have a lot. So I don't know where they're going to hide their eggs. I think they have lots of eggs. I think they have lots of eggs somewhere, guys. I don't know where they laying their eggs. If I know, I will going to take their eggs because I love eggs. So ayan guys, yung the tide is coming in. So it's coming in now. No more eagle flying around or catching some fish, but there was earlier. Geese. Hi. Would you like to say hi to my friends on YouTube? Huh? What the heck? Duck? Duck. Duck. Duck? Would you like to say hi, duck? Hi! Hi! No, they're just ignoring me. Hi, what you got there? What you eating there? What you guys eating? This road, guys, is very busy. Like just busy. You can hear the noise of the car. So that's my car right there. I guess, guys, I'm very toasted here. My beauty face is gonna be roasted. I'm gonna be roasted under the 90-degree sun. But guys, it's very pretty and warm. So ayan guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And then I know it's a long video, but I hope you guys enjoying it. This is my video for today. And oh, there's a boat. I think the boat is going crabbing. They're going crabbing today. There's a lots of crab here, guys. There's a lots of Dungeness crab in and rock crab, red rock crab. Goodbye, geese. Goodbye. Until next time. I'm gonna go now because I think I am toasted now. I sit here for half an hour or maybe 1 hour. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do this one again because I really like it sitting here. I might stop by here again tomorrow. I don't know what time is the low tide, but when it's low tide here, it's a bunch of eagle. You know, just sit over there and picking some oysters or clams or catching some other fish. So yeah, let's come back here tomorrow, guys, because I'm a roasted. I'm a roasted. Ouch! My face is roasted now. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Oh. One more time for the view. Busy road. Bye, duckling. So when it's low tide here, guys, it's really good right there too. It's a nice one. See, it's all the way over there, guys, when it's low tide. All the way over there. All the way over there. Okay, so let me introduce you with my Honda. This is my Honda car. It's very pretty during the summer time because it's pretty red. It's pretty red. Alright guys, thank you for watching again. Until next time, goodbye. I'm going to hold on. I know guys, the video is too long, but it's okay if you guys watching it. Whew. Thank you so much. If you guys enjoying the video, thank you very much. And if you guys don't, I appreciate still. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will just give me a thumbs up if you like it, and then just give me a comment below if you want more of kind of like this video. I'm not doing digging, just watching the water or watching the nice view. And yeah, so I'll do it again tomorrow. And I need to be careful this road because it is a busy road. It's busy road. I need to be careful. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, we made it, guys. We made it. We made it. Okay, Pylon Rock. Tomorrow again. My face is like a toasted shellfish villa here. Wow, my face is really red. Just sitting there for less than an hour. Now I'm turning roasted shellfish villa. That's life in America. Enjoy pag may time. Ayan guys, I'm on my way home now. So just enjoy. And still I'm not saying goodbye many times, but yeah, goodbye guys. I'll see you again on the next video. Bye bye.